All right, today we're going to be talking about the 437 and the 447 series downlight. They're both commercial downlights, just in different wattages and different sizes. So the 437 comes in a 150mm cutout, which is this one here. So you see it's a little bit smaller in size, but still a commercial downlight with a satin reflector or aluminium reflector. And it's also a 3C CT as well. So on the back there you can see it's got the three different settings, which is a 3000K, a 4000K, and a 5700 Kelvin as well. So that's all built in, including the drivers built in as well. So you notice it's all one nice unit, and it comes with a flex and plug all in one unit as well. So you can select your colors as needed, and away you go in one box solution. So this one is an 18 watt, and you'll get between 1400 and 1530 lumens, depending on the color temperature that you select. It's IP54 as well. And it's also dimmable, so all in the one unit you've got that. This is a really good choice if you're looking for a commercial downlight that's also affordable as well. The look's been made to replicate the old PLC downlights with this style as well. So if you're trying to maintain that same look through your building, you can use this to keep that look going as well. By doing so, it's also going to reduce your glare because the LED, as you can see, is right at the back of the fitting as well. When it comes to the 447, you're going to see it's exactly the same as the 437. The only difference is it's larger in size, and you're also getting a different wattage there as well. So it's a bit brighter than the other one. So this is the 447, which you'll see is a 25 watt. It's got the same color temperatures in it as well. So if you wanted to have a mix of both in a building, that would be fine to do so. In the 25 watt, you're getting between 2180 lumens up to a 2340 lumens, depending on which color temperature you select again. As I said before, it's also IP54, so for any wet areas or where there might be some steam or any moisture, these will also be fine in that environment as well. So there you go, that's our 437 and our 447 downlights.